Yay, my son's drone came today. Oh my goodness. This is what it looks like. We're about to see what the big hype is about. They are so affordable. And I am about to open it and see what it be about. Yep. So this is what it looks like. It's really, really tiny. And I believe this is the battery right here. Then I have the manual and everything. So I'm about to open this up. I may have to charge it for a little bit, but y'all will definitely see it when it's in the air. Yeah, I'll open this little package right here. This is what I got, a thank you card. You're welcome, SYMA. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And we have some little extra little propeller things right here, I guess, if these were to come off or break. And we're about to get it charged. Isn't this so cute? The little Phillips that came with it. Gotta unscrew this to put the AAA batteries in. So this is the cord. I'm gonna plug it in the side of my laptop and put it into the drone. Go ahead. It's like a little phone charger. And I'm gonna put this one in the side of my computer to charge it. And that red light indicates that it's charging. So now all we have to do is find some AAA batteries. We're looking in all the toys and all the remotes. Hopefully we find some somewhere. And the baby wants to be in the video so bad. You're not flying the drone, Sarai. I was about to say Soleil. Drone still charging. And we got our AAA batteries. We had to empty every remote in the house. Okay, so it's charged for 70 minutes now. If any of you don't know what that is, that's 1 hour and 10 minutes. So we're going to turn this on. Push this button. And you'll know it's charged because the lights will shut off at the bottom. So once the lights turn off and there's no green or red lights, it's fully charged. So we read the directions and I think it says you have to push this like up to start the propellers or something like that. I have no idea what I'm doing, so once we figure it out, we'll be back. Pretty cool. Oh, you crashed it.
I couldn't. I really.
Pretty cool. SYMA. Okay, that was fun. So y'all, please go order SYMA for a Christmas gift, birthday gift. It's only like $22 or something like that. These are freaking amazing. Once we figure out how to like actually fly it, we know how to fly it, but we don't know how to control it yet. We have to study the manual a little bit more. It'll be more fun, but we had a lot of fun with this. So thank you so much, SYMA. The link will be in the description box and in the caption, all right? Toodles.